My name is Matt Spur. I am the Director of Product Security at Relativity. The biggest challenge I have is helping engineers develop code that is secure and doesn't have vulnerabilities in it, and then helping them do that in a way that doesn't impede them from delivering software in a timely manner. Checkmarx fits in a couple different stages of our development process. It starts when engineers are developing. It's integrated on their builds on a daily basis. The biggest thing for Checkmarx was the brand reputation. When I asked some colleagues what the best tool in the market was, it was Checkmarx was the recommended. And then once I started evaluating it, it was a combination of the integrations for CI/CD, the ability to tune it and take the customization into our own hands, and then obviously just the ability that it actually found things and that it just worked. We're able to proactively discover issues and proactively prevent issues and let developers take action on their own time. And then also it gives us quality gates at the end to really say, if you don't adhere to these standards, you can't go to production. Before, it was a lot of security came in at the end and kind of killed their process, and it was a giant unknown. Having a tool integrated throughout helps them get better confidence that they're writing secure code and that they will stay on pace and they won't have any unknown interruptions at the end. I would and I do recommend Checkmarx to really any software shop that wants to increase the speed at which they could do assessments and get results, and any place that wants to take security more seriously.